How to watch local channels on Sling TV available on your device right now. So let's start this video without any further delay. What you have to do is I'm showing you some of the genuine steps in front of you to do this thing on your Sling TV. Let's start this video. Here you can see that I have available steps for you to watch local channels on your Sling TV in 2024. Connect an antenna. Plug your over-the-air OTA antenna into the Air TV device. Pair with a streaming device. Connect the Air TV to your preferred streaming device. Now, step 3 is simply stream local channels. Once connected, you can stream local channels like CBS, PBS, and CB directly through the Sling TV app or mobile device. They will even appear in your Sling channel guide. Remember that local broadcast availability on Sling varies by geography, so check if your area is covered. Enjoy your local programming. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more.